Get ready for some epic trading ahead. This is DLT Capital Markets Forex Trading. Please like, share, subscribe, and comment. And welcome back to the channel. This is your host, Trader DLT, on the DLT Capital Markets Forex Trading channel here on YouTube. Before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We really appreciate all our subscribers. So this week in this video, it's Forex story time again. Here on the Reddit Forex subreddit, I found a great question from Reddit user subject-vegetable, and he or she is asking, "Hey, for the profitable traders here that are consistently making money, what is your aha moment?" I love that question. It's an awesome Reddit type question. To me, that's what Reddit is for, to ask those burning questions that you really would like to get a straight answer. And some answers are straight and some answers are not. But here, this Redditor subject dash vegetable posed it, and so let's hear what people said. The true visionary said to ignore what everyone says. Okay, whatever that means. Singularity 2060 said, you look at the charts for so long, many years, that you finally realize market does the same things over and over every day, and you profit from it. So supposedly these Redditors that are answering the question are consistently profitable Forex traders. Hopefully that is true and not just random Redditors answering. Museum Splendor said, up means crashing soon. Down and depressed means rally coming at any moment. LJ Swanson said, don't be afraid to cut a loser. I definitely agree with that one. Multi-Pros said, aha, this is it, but few hundreds of time. Or in other words, experience. Point number one, no one is going to share working strategy. Remember, especially if someone doing it for money, you will need to build your own strategy based on your experience only. Two, no one is going to teach psychology. The more you work on the markets, the more you learn yourself. Finally, you'll find out who you are and how to control yourself. Then it will be fundamental for your strategy. Most important thing when you finally build first two. Once you are okay with strategy and yourself, all you need to configure is risk. How long all three takes? No one knows. It's only up to the trader. It really can be even 1 year, usually 3, or sometimes even 10. If it took more and still no big money is around, it is better to focus on something different. Good luck. Tenfold said, I trade breakouts. We all know what prices will tend to range before breaking. But the question was always, when does it break up or break down? Volume is the answer. Price breaks when volume comes in. Volume comes in during pre-London, London Open, pre-US, and US Open. The moment I realized that, I just stick to trading that few hours of the day, and I have been more consistent since. Wow, I love that one. Thank you tenfold. I thought Forex has no volume to keep track of. Also, how well does breakout strategy work for you? The market tends to reverse to the mean most of the time. Reddit friend said, as a response to subject vegetable, the OP. It has volume, but not centralized. There are indicators for volume based on specific broker. But volume could also mean just the strength of candle to some people. Administrative AD 43 said, mind sharing your system? Ingenuity Signal 2651 said, I don't know about a specific aha, but my motto after setting up money management rules is, what's the worst that could happen? The worst thing that could happen is I hit my 2% daily loss limit. Once that finally sunk to my head, I said, aha. Empty Planet Side said, do not try to bend the spoon. That's impossible. Instead, only try to realize the truth. There is no spoon. Then you'll see that it is not the spoon that bends. It is only yourself. Signed, Spoon Boy. Internal Leader 2454 said, in my mind, the aha pops up when I see the price going in the direction of the retail trader's sentiment. That's when I know a reverse is coming, and I will just wait for my setup to create. ESC 77 said, where do you check for retail sentiment? Any tools or services? And Internal Leader 2454 responded, I use two websites, my FX Sentiment and Forex Client Sentiment. As you know, Forex is a decentralized market, so there is not only one source of data. These two are good enough, but there are more if you look for them. Thank you, Internal Leader. Bitstream Writer said, there are many aha moments on the road to profitability. New traders tend to focus on entries and exits. Then comes, in no particular order, the position sizing aha, then the psychology aha, then the optimal trading time aha, and so on. You need to hit quite a few of these aha moments before you finally reach profitability. Kraken UK said OCO orders. One cancels the other. YHITS KESH said, learning smart money concepts plus losing a lot, then realizing dumb psychological mistakes will lead to bad results equal consistency. Nice equation. It's cash. Thanks a lot, buddy. Realistic Secret 612 said, if I risk 1% on a $1,000 account, I don't seem to make any headways. I am newbie in trading by the way. Internal Leader 2454 responded, what do you mean by headways? 1% is a good risk amount. If I want to see big numbers, the problem is not the percent of your risk, but your capital. My advice is invest that money in good education, and then go for a prop firm challenge to get good capitalization. Realistic Secret 612 said, many thanks. What's a prop firm? And can you give me an example of some prop firm? FTMO is the most popular. Also, the prop trading is good. Just watch some videos on YouTube and choose the one who fits you the most. But first, make sure you have a profitable strategy. Thanks, sir. Adventurous Plane 4667 said, when someone from WSB posts a 10-page wall of nonsense. OP, I'm curious if degenerates from WSB can actually make it in the Forex market since it's a zero-sum game. You blow up quickly. Communication C 5010 said, Forex is a zero-sum game. However, most of the money is from institutions, and they're happy to take a loss so that a $100 million transaction can happen on a certain business day. If they're happy to take a loss to enter a market, then even a degenerate can make a profit. I think they might become bored when they realize the currency pair doesn't double overnight though. LOL. Reeb96 said, my aha moment was to trade on the M1. This allowed me to win a lot more than M5 or any other high time frames, as it would take a while for a setup to form. I also suggest not paying so much attention to win rates and to focus on R, as it's a hell of a lot more powerful for long-term sustainability. Gold Diver 5026 said, recognizing when the stop hunts are at the right time. Timing is everything. Johnny First Time said, when I simulate proper risk management on a spreadsheet, then I learn why the 1% rule is the only way to succeed. Intraday trading. Reddit friend said, accepting DD and letting statistics play out. Bricel249 said, it's really just a mind game. Stick to your plan. Aquadog66 said, my aha moment was realizing I trade like an emotional wreck, with no risk appetite and a deep hatred of losing. Once I accepted this, I could focus on the process instead of the result. Abe Maruda said, find a strategy, refine it, make it your own, test it, stick to it, and ignore everything and everyone else. Sherm6X said, my aha moment was getting my account blown. Demo isn't shit for what live entails. Headed Globe said, doesn't matter what you use as long as you manage risk. The holy grail is risk management. You have to keep it before you can make it. 30% win rate and still growing strong. Wolf of My Street said, first of all, ain't sharing my strategy, LOL. I got F'd in the A so many times, hundreds of courses, thousands of hours, charting live market, back testing. What I will give you is risk management is everything. Learn the basics of a TA and FA, then use very good risk management. There you go, full-time trader. Risk management was the aha moment. Can I ask some general questions? Said EST 77. What instruments do you trade? How long does your trade last on average? And the wolf answered, trade mostly major pairs for day trading. The main reason being spread, like if I want a 10 pip stop loss, I'm using 11, then entering because I know 1 pip can break or make or break. For scalping, I use Bitcoin exclusively. I make more through scalping than trading because I mostly swing and day trade only the finest setups. If not, IK out. If not, I'm out. Most of my trades from last week to 20 to 60, 1 to 3 are our target. So it depends on the market. 6 Cocott said, I keep hearing this, but why should you say risk management change everything for you? And the last comment was from Michael Lupi. 1, you trade your money as if your trade was a prop firm. 2, it's easier to trade large amounts with a prop firm than using your own capital. 3, semi-automation is good. Full automation is a disaster waiting to happen. All right then. So this has been your host, Trader DLT, on the DLT Capital Markets Forex Trading channel here on YouTube. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next video.